yun nga, sinabi ko kanina na I was having the, the time of my life na I am living the dream. I was living the dream. I'm living the dream still. I am living na I have a company, I have work. And that was, yun yung sinasabi ko na, ang galing ni Lord, di ba? Recently lang, kasi yung nanay ko, malakas yung tiwala niya na magaling ako kumanta. Meron na, ang grade 2 ako noon, sumali ako singing contest, ang kinanta ko kapag tumibok yung puso.
Iyon, no?
Oo, dadam ako, naka-headband ka. Saka makaterno ako ng damit. Tinahilad ng nanay ko. And merong isang time na si Pastor Arnie ng Victory ng Ever Nation, I listened to his preach one time, and he was and sinare ko to sa isang kasis natin dyan, si Shirley, na it struck to me na yung verse na yun na Proverbs 37:4, delight yourself in the Lord and He will give you the desires of your heart. Parang sabi ko, dati, what Nina wants, Nina gets. Kasi kung lahat ng gusto ko, nakukuha ko. Kahit yung ayaw niya, gusto ko din, nakukuha ko pa din. Pero yung pag tinawag ka na ni Lord, what God wants, God gets. Kasi yung nasa puso mo, yun yung nilalagay niya na mission mo.